Now, you guys remember that I always and forever have told you to hedge all of your longs, right?
Absolutely.
I think I'm the only person I know of on the entire internet that would tell you to hedge your longs. People think that's counterintuitive. I don't, because of times that the market wants to pull back. This is when you are protected. And I have been saying this since the day I have gone live in front of all of your faces. I do not hold anything long that is not hedged and protected to the downside. This is why it's not always, the market always goes up. Yeah, but there are instances and short times in the middle where it will pull back. And this is when you can protect yourselves. Hedge long, hedge the long, hedge the long, hedge the long, right?
Today's a good day for cash secured puts, right? If you want to own shares.
Absolutely. Always on down days. Cash secure puts on down days. Write your covered calls on up days. Yep.
Shift change in 3 minutes.
Thank you. So if I'm holding anything long, I'm either hedging with like a covered call or I've got some puts against the hedge. That is my insurance. So if the market crashes, I am covered. I've been saying it every day, haven't I, gang?
Every day.
Every day.
Yes, sir.
Without exception. Never have changed my opinion. Never will.
So, Coach, may I add one last counsel that adds to what you just went through with
Yes.
people making mistakes?
Absolutely.
And it's this: when the market is going down, please do not dollar cost average in a down.
That's right.
That is a common mistake I've seen so many times.
That's right. Good point. What's my rule on dollar cost averaging, gang? When's the only time you guys can add in?
Negative 5, 10, or 15%.
Well, that's long-term
When it's going your way.
investing. Yes, when it's going your way. But yeah, good call. That's
Yeah.
long-term investments. But what I'm talking about is, yeah, day trading, you are only ever allowed to add in if it's going your way, not dollar cost losers, right?
Right.
That's the fastest way to multiply losses, is continuing to add fuel to the fire when it's already burning your feet. Stop doing dumb stuff like that. If it doesn't come out of my mouth, it should not be happening on your mouse. Put that on the bowling bag. If it doesn't come out of the coach's mouth, why am I doing that with my mouse?